Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today 9th November. Nifty ends this week at 24,200 and Bank Nifty at 51,526. In our midweek market update, which I posted on Wednesday, we expected the price to come lower and the price to move higher. This is what we expected, and let me show that image. See, this is what we expected in our midweek market update. If you not yet watched that video, you can check in your free time because we discussed a lot of things about how to mark this correction, and when your wave count is right, we can get the exact low point. So all these are discussed in our midweek market update. Fine. So the price as per expectation came lower, but we expected if the price moves higher, 24,600 is the possible resistance, but the price got rejected around 24,525 itself, right? And the price came lower, which we expected. So now, since the price moving as per expectation only, I not change the view as of now. So again, same view, I'm expecting A, B and C to proceed higher. Further, the price may take support from here itself. Already price reached support, or 24,030 to 23,980. These are the important zone for support. So the price can take support here and move higher. Whether it is an ABC or 1, 2, 3, then we can discuss based on the price action. So this is the same view which we had from the midweek market update. Suppose if the price comes below this point and even below the 23,830, what is this low? Around 23,830 to 840, that zone. If the price comes lower below this level, then we need to alter the count that the price are still in correction and the final leg is going down. So now how to alter this count? So this is the primary assumption, okay? The price moving as per our analysis. So this is my primary analysis, primary view. And if the price goes below the support point, we need to alter the count. How? So this is the expectation which I took on 8th November. But if the price moves below our support point and even below 23,830, 840 zone, then we need to alter the waves like this. So all this can be the internal part of wave 3 and a wave 4 and wave 5. So that means even if comes below this point, that could be the final leg down for completion of this corrective part. Whether it is a first leg or a complex or entire correction has been over, that is secondary discussion. But this leg of correction can end with this wave 5. This is the secondary option. Fine. We already ended here as per this, but if the price comes lower, we should take this view. Okay. And if the price comes lower, we need to check for ending pattern or impulse. Right. But anyway, these are the secondary analysis. If the price comes below our important point, 23,830, 840, then only this is valid, or else this is the primary view. Okay. So this is the update on Nifty, and Bank Nifty also moving as per expectation only. See, this is the analysis we did on midweek market update. One leg down and C to move higher, and the leg down has been came. Whether it takes support or not, we need to see. Okay. So if the price takes support as like Nifty, then this also can move higher to reach this gap zone. Okay. The same view as per our midweek market update. As I already said, while the price was moving here, I said that Bank Nifty is not clear. So we need to approach the market from the Nifty. Okay. So Nifty is little bit clear because Bank Nifty entirely sideways. See, as of now, the impulse price action is not yet seen in the Bank Nifty. So we should assume that the price still in the corrective pattern only in the medium term. Okay. This is my assumption, and based on this assumption, I am counting the waves. So same view as per our midweek market update, A, B, C. Okay, this is possible. And if the price comes lower below this point, then we need to think about other options in Bank Nifty because we are expecting one more low in Bank Nifty also to these levels. Okay. So let's wait for the price confirmation. And this is the update on Nifty and Bank Nifty. And in small caps, a few points to discuss. See, this is the expectation for wave 3 to end, bigger wave 3, 1, 2 and 3, and I am counting it as all are part of wave 3. So if I count like this, this is wave 1, wave 2, where to keep the wave 3, because we need 5 subwaves. If we take 1, 2, 3, 4, we cannot take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this wave because the rules are violated. So in this case, wave 3 could be ended here, wave 4 and wave 5 is ended here. If it is wave 5 ended here, and the price should consolidate or will come deeper, okay, because this wave 3 has already completed and a bigger wave 4 in process. So this is one assumption. At the same time, if the price wants to move still higher, this internal subwaves can extend like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in this case, this 2 can come even to this point of around 17,000, 16,700 or something. We are discussing for a couple of weeks, right? The same levels. So this is possible. So this is the medium term approach. Okay, in this angle, we need to see the short term price action. Let me move to the hourly chart. See, this is possibly an end of correction. Yes, we can take this as end of correction because the price is turning from our important support only. We can mark it as an ABC, W, X and ABC. So yes, it is possible. And we don't know whether the price is making another X and coming lower because there is an option of still ABC, right? But if the price moves very fast, then we can count it as some sort of end of correction, and bigger bounce also possible, right? We discussed in our previous week, like can this be A, B and C? This is also even possible. So all are part of corrective patterns, but the B wave can reach much higher than our expectation because it can change the pattern, but the nature will be same. Okay, that's the difference. So we need to approach the market in that way. So it can be an end of correction or still one more leg is possible. So for that only I expected this price to reach minimum above this level for that confirmation with an impulse wave pattern. And in daily chart, you can just draw a channel for some more clarity. Okay, like this. Okay, so the price is taking support in the important channel support only. So let's see if the price moves higher, or it may take some complex pattern and may come lower. Okay, to analyze that, let me show again the hourly chart, because there is a possibility of wave 1 or wave A ended here. Okay, so the price may make another ABC like this. Okay, and the price may come lower. We don't know whether it is a C wave or third wave. That is different. We need to see how the price moves there. Okay, so in shorter term, we may expect some sort of pullback like this, pullback and come lower. Okay, some decent pullback and come lower and may make a one more high. Okay, this is the expectation in a short term view. Okay, so the price needs to cross above this high for further analysis. Until that, we should think about the corrective pattern only. Okay, but if the price comes faster, as usual, we need to alter the count. And okay, this example, Birlasoft, I chose this example to explain that with the help of Elliottwaves during May. Okay, during May itself, I expected the price may reach around 500. Okay, during May was here. Let me share that one. This one on May 7. Okay, if trend not reversed and market sentiment is bearish, it may reach around 500 to 470, right? So this is just an overall opinion which I shared to one of our follower on May 7th. Okay, May 7th is approximately here. Okay, even though the price reaches important zone, I expected the price to reach around 500 to 470, and the low so far made is 535 approximately. And even in our course, okay, in course part, every month I will add a new video for continued learning. So in that one video, I said that even I use the exact word like this: the price will somehow make any pattern and come to the 500 zone. This is what I said in the course part, and you can see, because no one can expect a complex pattern, but that's why I said somehow the price may reach the 500, because there is a reason for it. I explained the reason why the price approaches 500 zone. Everything explained in advance, and my learners know the reason for the price correction, because we should understand the price action with a reason. I approach the market like this. I use the waves as a tool for that. So with the help of waves, I will think what is the reason behind it. Technically, what is the reason for fall? What is the reason for taking support? If you get the reason for it, the same pattern will repeat. So when the price pattern repeats again, we can identify what the price may do in the future. This is what the example I want to say. With the help of waves, we understood the price may reach the 500 to 470 zone, and so far the price has been reached 530. It could be the end of correction, or the price may still can come one more low to the 500 zone. We need to wait and watch. This is not any recommendation. Fine. So if you want to learn the Elliottwave in most practical way, because most of the people learning the waves only in theoretical way. Here we teach the Elliottwave in a simple way, how to use the waves in practical way, and it can be practically applied in your trading methods. So that's the special feature of my course. And if you want to learn the Elliottwave in most practical way, you can register my course. I give the details in the description. This is one such example for how waves leading the price. Before moving to the commodities part, let me explain clearly few things. See, all these levels are only for learning purpose. So even in Nifty part, I'm expecting a support, but if the price goes lower, how to change the count? So that's my intention. You need to understand how to alter the count. If the price not supports, okay, in your expected level, then how to change the view? So that's my intention. See all the charts as only for learning purpose, and don't take it as any sort of trading recommendations. I'm not here to give any tips or buy or sell recommendations. Just pure learning on Elliott waves. That's it. And as a friend, as a brother, I request to everyone, if you are a new trader or not experienced trader or with a limited capital, don't try in F&Os, please. Okay. The reality of F&Os is different, and you need much experience and more capital to handle the fluctuations. Capital protection is must. Okay. Cash trading may be for return, it may take some time, but on the long term, most people can get success in this cash trading. So my idea is, I don't want immediate success or immediate win. I need a permanent win. Okay. So that's my thought process, and I request everyone, uh, please reduce F&O as much as possible, and please concentrate on learning and better try in the cash trading. Fine. So with this idea, not any recommendations, let me share my opinion on commodity sector. So crude oil, see, the price action is not at impulsive. So it can still make another 3-wave to reach the trend line. Okay. So as of now, the price is not making impulsive. So I'm taking this decision. I'm connecting these 2 points also. So these are the important supports now. And below red line, of course, this cannot be the impulse. And even I'm not thinking that is an impulse, because the wave 2 most probably it will not behave like this. So it can be even ABC. Somewhat we need to discuss, and see, as we discussed in our previous videos, maybe a couple of months back, I said some sideways is still possible. So the price may still make one more high to reach the trend line and come lower. So only above this point, and we may think about the trend change. Okay. These 2 points. That is far away now. So the price may take another move higher to touch the trend line. Okay. So these are the assumptions now. So by seeing this, I can see a 3-wave move and another 3-wave. So it can be another 3-wave. So that's the expectation, because all I'm getting is 3 waves. So one more 3 waves are possible. And if the price goes higher, this should be the resistance, and if the price crosses that, we can expect another these 2 points. Fine. So this is the approach now in crude oil. And natural gas, see, we expected a support here, and price slightly went down and moved higher, okay, and gave a good move. And now we need to wait a little, because still now the price is showing only the wave 3, okay, 3 wave move. It can be wave 3, and if it is wave 3, the price can take support between 38 to 50%. The price already taking support at 50%, and you can see a gap here. So these are the support points now. And if I check in the hourly chart, this pattern looks like a triangle. So triangle may come in midway. So what may happen is, if the price does not break this low, okay, whether it is 1, 2, 3 or ABC, this is possible. If the price does not cross this low, okay, please understand, if the price opens below this point, then this is not valid, and the price may come still to the gap point one more time, or even to 2.46 levels. Okay, if the price takes support, then only the price may move higher. Please understand. And if it is doubtful, we need to wait for the breakout above this point. Okay, so this is the approach on natural gas. And the silver, as we discussed in our midweek market update, if it is wave 1, wave 2, and all can be wave 3, we can expect a good sideways here for a wave 4. Okay, so wave 4 can take any sort of patterns. So as of now, my primary assumption, as I said, there can be some sort of correction or sideways, maybe correction in the sense a flat or zigzag or even triangle. So all are corrections like. So any pattern may take, and to understand the pattern, I move to the 4-hour chart, and if I draw a channel, because triangles will not come in a channel, and you can see a channel here. So if the price comes one more lower, okay, like this, the price makes a one more low, and the support may be around $30, around these levels. If the price comes like this, then all this can be wave A, okay, probably, most probably wave A, wave B, and wave C, because this can be the first leg of correction, because in daily and weekly there is a chance of a completion of minor wave 3 here. So we may get a wave 4 decline, and that wave 4 decline can take any pattern. So this is the update on silver. I hope you like this weekend market update. And if you wish to learn the Elliottwaves in the most practical way, that is, you can take trades, okay, not only theoretical, you can take trades based on the wave theory, that is guaranteed. So if you wish to learn the waves, you can register my course. I give all the details in the description. And if you wish to get the market updates twice a week, you can subscribe my channel, and you can like my video and share it with your friends, traders, and families. So thank you so much. Trade safe. Happy weekend. We'll meet you in the midweek market update. Thank you.